In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML in Webstudio. We'll walk through two clear approaches so you can add custom HTML exactly where you need it, whether that's a small widget, a script, or an entire block of content brought in from another source. The first approach uses the HTML embed component, which is ideal for custom code snippets and anything that needs to run JavaScript inside a specific part of your page. Start by opening the Components panel and locating the HTML embed item under either the General or the Data category. Drag and drop it onto the canvas right where you want the snippet to appear. With the component selected, look to the Settings panel on the right. You'll see a code field. Paste your HTML, CSS, or script there. If you want to see your code execute directly inside the builder, toggle the Run Script on Canvas option. This is great for testing widgets or interactive elements as you design. If you notice the builder slowing down or conflicting behavior while you edit, you can simply toggle that option off and continue styling. Keep your embed code as lean as possible and only use trusted sources, especially when including third-party scripts. The second approach is Webstudio's intelligent copy and paste conversion, which is perfect when you have raw HTML or Markdown that represents page content you want to edit visually. Just copy the markup from your source, click on the canvas where you want it, and paste. Webstudio will automatically interpret common tags like div, h1, table, lists, and more, converting them into native containers and elements while preserving styles. This gives you editable, structured content you can manage with the visual tools you already use. It's especially helpful for bringing in headings, paragraphs, tables, and layout blocks without manually rebuilding them. Note that scripts and advanced behaviors in the pasted code won't execute through this method. If you need actual script execution, the HTML embed component is the right choice. To recap, use the HTML embed component when you need a targeted area that runs custom code, and use the intelligent paste when you want Webstudio to convert your HTML or Markdown into editable elements. Whichever route you choose, place your content thoughtfully, keep your code clean, and avoid including any sensitive information. With these two methods, you'll be able to upload HTML into Webstudio quickly and confidently while maintaining full control over both design and functionality.